Alright, so good evening, guys. Today we are going to look at input and output in computer architecture. So now the question is, what is an input and output in a computer architecture? So input and output refers to the communication between an information processing system and the outside world. You see, input devices send data to the computer and output devices receive the data. So the I/O is essential for user interaction and peripheral communication. So input devices such as keyboard, mouse, scanner, and microphone. So now you can see that the keyboard is used to input text and a command, whilst a mouse is a pointing device used for graphical interface, and then a scanner converts physical documents into digital format, whilst microphone also captures audio input. All these are input devices. So they send instruction inside the device. And then the output devices such as the monitor, the printer, speaker, and then the projector. The monitor displays text, images, and video, whilst printer produces hard copies of digital documents. So all these are the output devices. The speaker also outputs the audio from the computer, and the projector also projects visual output onto a larger screen. So now you see the difference between the input and then the output devices. Okay, so let's continue. So now the I/O interface. So the I/O interface allows the communication between the I/O devices and then the CPU. You see, so the interface allow communication between the input and output devices and the CPU. So the common interfaces are the USB, the HDMI, and then the Ethernet. You see, and then the interface controls and manage device communication, and then data transfer. So these are some of the I/O techniques. You see, programmed I/O, which is the CPU directly controls data transfer, and then the interrupt driven, which is the I/O devices. They interpret the CPU when it is ready, and then the direct memory access, which is the DMA. The devices transfer data without the CPU. So these are some of the techniques. And then, so let's summarize everything up. The I/O is vital for interaction and data exchange in computing, whilst and then multiple devices and techniques enhance I/O efficiency. So understanding the I/O systems will help you to optimize performance and then integration. Thank you. Have a nice day.